Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. So let's start on it now. So guys, the air suspension control module fuses, where you can find those. We will demonstrate on this generation Dodge Ram here. What you need to do, guys, open the hood. Once you open the hood, come to the driver's side and see that's your car battery. Right in front of it you have that fuse box, that's the main engine fuse box. You need to press 2 taps here. It will open when you lift it up, and on the inside you'll find the main engine fuse box with a layout like this one. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. Guys, it's very important to always test your fuses and relays. Why? Sometimes you may think you have a good fuse, guys. It's hard to tell. Look at those fuses, right? And sometimes, okay, you pull the fuse. Okay, I'm going to get the fuse pulled and I'm going to remove one fuse. I want to show you on that 20 amp fuse. Sometimes it's very unclear if that fuse is burned or not. You may not clearly see it. So always, guys, test them, because if you don't test the fuse, you assume it's good. You end up spending money, time and diagnostics for problems that do not exist, guys. So you can just waste your money and time. Always test your fuses, always test relays. We will put links in the description of the video below where you can find, guys, a video for testing a fuse and testing a relay that will explain everything that you need to do. If you guys need to buy any parts, tools for your Dodge Ram, fuses, relays at a really good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste money and time, we're going to put a link in the description of the video below for your convenience. Please check it out. For the air suspension control module, 2 fuses needs to be checked. Make sure, guys, you stay until the end. We want to give you one quick advice, that way you're not stuck in the middle of nowhere like it happened to us. The first fuse that you need to check is fuse number 50, guys. 50 will be that 20 amp fuse right here in our case. The next fuse that you need to check will be fuse number 87. Talking about that fuse right here. Now, you guys have all kinds of different fuses and relays. We'll recommend to buy some spare ones, put them in the glove box for peace of mind. One time we needed replacement, we couldn't get one and we were stuck in the middle of nowhere. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. Hopefully, guys, the video was helpful. Please do not forget to comment, like, subscribe. That way we can keep making these absolutely free videos. Guys, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can, guys, save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Check them out. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.